All right, in this video, we are going to talk about what a set is. And you can see by the definition, the key point to all this is a well-defined collection of elements. And that could be numbers, items, things like that. So let me give you an example here. Uh, for example, this right here, this would be set S is the numbers 0 through 9. And it's specific to integers. Here, we don't include decimals because we have 0 and then a comma, 1 and then a comma, so on and so forth. So the only thing we're going to include in this set are the integers 0 through 9. Now we're not going to include anything else beyond that, so this is a set, and the elements are going to be considered these digits right here, and I'm going to close those in with the two brackets that you can see right here, and I'm also going to use a capital S to name that. Some other examples of what a set might not be is, for example, if I said all of the small apples in a bag, right? We would have to consider, well, is that well defined? Well, not really, because what constitutes a small apple? You might define that differently from me, and therefore that would be considered a non-set. Something else to consider too as well, a set could be what is known as the empty set. So for example, if I said set E is an empty set, it would contain no elements at all. And this symbol right here would indicate that there is nothing in it. There's no number or anything. Okay, so again, the keys to remember are: one, when we talk about a set, has to be well defined, and two, when I write it out, I'm going to use a capital letter to name the set, and then I'm going to use brackets to indicate what elements or numbers belong to that set. All right, hope this video helps, and we'll see you in the next one.